This is an apple. And this is a teddy bear. But you don't need any of these today if you want to make $900 or more per day. I'm going to show you different apps that you can use starting today. And all of these apps, they focus on one thing and one thing only, which is to bring in passive income for you without working and without selling. Even if you're sleeping, you could still generate income on a daily basis. Sounds pretty cool, right? But here's the warning. Bear in mind, you have to follow my specific instructions, which are very easy steps in order to succeed. I highly recommend you to watch every second of this video without skipping ahead, or even rewatch the video once again to learn all the exact secrets. Remember, the more apps you use, the more money you are going to make. And by using all of these apps together, you could be making more than $900 or more per day. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now this is going to be the first app which I want to show you in today's video. Now the name of this app is actually called DollarClicks. Now we're gonna go on to dollarclicks.com and basically get rewards and cold hard cash on this website by simply doing simple surveys. Once you've successfully completed your task and surveys, you're able to get paid via PayPal, or via Visa card, or bank transfer, or wire transfer. Or you can get some gift cards, for example, from Tango, Amazon, and many more. Once again, I want you to comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is in your country. The reason why I love this website DollarClicks is because they offer you many different partners all in one single website. As you can see here, these are all their partners, and they are actually very famous and public companies who offer different simple tasks and simple surveys that you can get paid for. This is the #1 paid surveys community. And you can do this on your mobile phone by simply downloading this app on dollarclicks.com. So right over here, you can see they have thousands of active members every single day that are logged into the app who are earning passive income. And over millions of dollars are already paid out to all of the members, and over thousands of different gift cards are already sent to the members. And once again, over 25 different partners of different offer walls that you can choose to work on and start generating income on this app. I'll show you all of the withdrawal proof of payment which you can see here, and when I scroll down below, you can see all of the usernames and all of the days that they actually withdraw their cash and different payment options available, and these are the amount of earnings that they got. And I go down to the very bottom, you can see here over 3,000 different pages of payment proofs. Let's go to the DollarClicks chat box. And you can see there are many members from other countries who are cashing out. They also have members from Indonesia, Africa, Bangladesh, Malaysia, India, and Philippines. And this is available worldwide in all the countries in the world. Now I will show you how to sign up for a free account. Once you go to dollarclicks.com, and right here, you can see the registration is actually very simple. And once you complete the registration, you can instantly get 10 bonus points. So from there, just enter your first name, your last name, username, password, email address, and click on this "I'm not a robot" and agree to the terms and the privacy policy, and just click on the sign up button. As simple as that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the next app, which is called Honeygain. You can go to honeygain.com, and basically on this app, you can actually earn passive income effortlessly. And the concept here is really simple. With honeygain.com, you can actually make money by just simply sharing your internet connection. Now you can do this on your computer. You can do this on your mobile phone, and this is 100% free. As you can see here, easy ways to earn passive income. With Honeygain, you can start making money in just a few minutes. Simply install the app on your device and sign up for a free account. Lean back and watch your balance increase. So basically, this is how honeygain.com works. Step number 1, you have to set up the system. Now you have to install the app which is 100% free on any of your devices, and you can connect them on the internet. Now we can do this on your mobile phone. You can do it on your iPad, on your computer or laptop. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of device you guys are using. Step number 2. Once you've connected your device to the internet connection, you have to run Honeygain, and basically, they'll securely share your internet with no access to personal data. And once you start running Honeygain, they'll start sharing your internet speed and your internet bandwidth with other people from all over the world. And by doing that, you can help other businesses and other people as well. Finally, you can actually get paid and earn passive income without doing any extra work, because you can just simply turn on any of the devices, start sharing your internet connection, and boom! You can get paid without doing anything. So basically, they do have one thing that's very interesting on their website, which allows you to estimate your basic earnings. So basically with Honeygain, they recommend you to share 3 different devices. And right here, you can actually change the amount of daily traffic that you're willing to share. For example, 2 gigs, 5 gigs, 8 gigs, and so on. You can just drag and drop any of these points right here, as you can see. And also for the daily content, you can just adjust both of these cursors, and they'll show you your estimated earnings per month. Now on this website, the earnings are not actually a lot, but a good thing is that this is the total passive income without any investment. So once again, you can click on this right here to download Honeygain for free. Now moving on to the very last app, which is called SlideJoy. Now we can go get slidejoy.com, and basically what it does is that you can install this app for absolutely free on your mobile phone or any devices. For example, your tablet or your iPad. So once you install the app on your phone, they'll start showing different ads and different advertisements right at the home screen or your lock screen of your mobile phone. As you can see here, there's an advertisement of a shoe or some clothing. Now basically, if you want to ignore the advertisement and start using a phone as normal, what you can do is that you can actually slide right to go back to your home screen. And by simply installing this app on your phone, by simply allowing them to show advertisements on your phone, you can literally make passive income without doing anything. Even while you're sleeping, even while you're using a mobile phone as usual, you are still going to get paid. And the reason why SlideJoy is willing to pay you money to show advertisements is that they're hoping that somehow, maybe someday, if you're interested in any of these ads, if you purchase something through their advertisement, and they are going to make money. So they're willing to invest their money, and they're going to pay you passive income to allow all of these different advertisements to show up on your mobile phone. And once again, they're partnering up with some of the biggest companies, and they are definitely legit. So once you've earned your money, you have earned your cash. You can actually withdraw your money straight into your PayPal account, as you can see here. Once again, you can download this on your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and this is 100% free. And so this is the SlideJoy Lock Screen Cash Reward app. And the logo looks like this, so make sure to download the right application. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.